We really want a break, but what we're tracking is another day today of more dangerous heat, and it's going to be here through this week. Now, near record high temperatures are possible, and also the fire threat continues. Rain, it's in the forecast a little bit, but not a whole lot. Let's take a look at the First Alert satellite and radar combined. I wanted to show you that upper level winds are coming out of the northwest. So we look to see if there are any storms developing well off towards the panhandle that will drift their way on in. Not a lot happening. There is some rain up through parts of Oklahoma, continue to ride its way off towards the east southeast. So really no benefit from that. But what we are seeing is a little bit more cloud cover that has moved its way into North Texas. And it's because this front has moved its way in and stalled out just a bit. So some of us today are going to see that cloud cover kind of sticking around off and on. We're going to be seeing a small rain chance, and you see that on the First Alert Futurecast. Later on into the afternoon, late afternoon, early evening hours, maybe a couple of spotty showers around going into tonight at a 10 to 20% chance. There is a complex of storms that will try to develop out to the west, but you notice as it moves its way eastward, not really holding together. So that 20 to 30% chance of any rain overnight is just kind of hanging on. If we see a storm get strong enough, we might see maybe some gusty winds with that, and that's about it. But right now, from our Dallas Skycam, you can see that mix of sun and clouds greeting you. Partly cloudy skies being reported at DFW. It is 90 degrees, a northwest wind at 7 miles per hour, but still it's kind of muggy as you step on out of the door. You can see the difference of where the front set up. Temperatures north of the frontal boundary are in the low 80s to the upper 70s. South of it already into the upper 80s to even the low 90s in Breckenridge. So it's going to be another hot day ahead. Temperatures will continue to climb their way up to 102 degrees by about 3. I'm forecasting about 104. Now, late in the day, we have that 20% chance to maybe a 30% chance of some isolated showers around. But a lot of us are going to be dealing with the heat, this excessive heat warning for all the areas in pink continuing. It feels like temperature 103 to possibly 112, and we're not the only ones dealing with it. More than 93 million people under heat alerts, as you can see, through the southern portion of the U.S. So on top of that, our fire threat is also there. And the critical fire threat has now been expanded east of the 35 corridor. That does include all of the Metroplex for those high temps, low humidity, and the drought conditions sticking around, and then the elevated fire threat further off towards these. So we need this rain at that 20 to 30% chance. A lot of us won't see any rain at all. And even if we do see some, it's not going to amount to much. 20% chance then into tomorrow morning. And then you can see today where the front sets up in the mid-90s, south of the front into the triple digits. Probably the same story tomorrow, but slightly warmer. So your First Alert 7-day forecast shows that 20% chance is here for us. 104 on Monday, Tuesday 103, and then we dry out and we heat up. Do you guys like this? 107 on Thursday and Friday?
Yeah,
yes.
we love it.
Oh,
We
it's so
absolutely
fantastic.
love it.
Yeah, keep it coming.
Wow.